Hello, what is the role of outriggers? As you know, some cranes use it's got built-in outriggers, especially on mobile cranes, on high-ups, and some other cranes to stabilize the crane. So when you operate a crane, you also operate hydraulic or manual outriggers. So outriggers keep your truck stable. It's for purpose. The purpose of it is for stability. So, and it's actually contact on the ground several feet away from your truck, and this provides a solid, stable base by distributing the crane's load over a larger area. So, however, outriggers does not promise a safe lifting if the ground bearing capacity is not known. So because even if you use the car outriggers, so we can't rely on the outriggers, because at the end of the day, it's the outriggers are all the pressures is spread on the ground. So the ground condition is critical to safely use the outriggers. So crane where you use outriggers are must for lifting. So where there's a must for using the outriggers, there must be a proper calculation of ground capacity. So in some modern cranes, these functions included in the crane gadgets. So actually crane itself, it does the calculation for your ground capacity. And but in old-fashioned cranes were normally made maybe up to 5-10 years ago. So you have to calculate the load bearing yourself, ground bearing yourself, by using special engineering devices and calculation methods. So outriggers are critical gadgets on the crane, but they depend on the ground bearing capacity. That's it for using outriggers. Thank you very much, and see you on next videos.